Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.2, Problem 11. This is Section 2.2, Problem 11. It says identify the number as prime or composite. And the number is 51. So the question is, are there any numbers besides 51 or 1 that will divide into 51 evenly? Now 51 looks like it might be prime, so you can start trying to divide in some numbers, and you'll see that 3 divides in evenly. Before I even do the math, there's a trick. I know that the sum of the digits add up to something that's divisible by 3. The digits are 5 and 1, so if I add 5 plus 1, I get a 6. 3 divides into 6 evenly, so I know it will also divide into 51 evenly. In fact, 3 times 17 equals 51. And because I found a number other than 51 and 1 that will divide into 51 evenly, such as 3, I know that 51 is a composite number.